everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today there's been an update for Twister OS. So now you can see that version 2.0.1 has been released. The things that has been updated is transitioned to Twister OS Lite base image, removed Chromium Media Edition and added native Vidian support, removed Midnight Commander app, relocated consolidated Steam components. So there's also been an update for the Steam. Improved Steam Box 86 compatibility, cleaned up menu shortcuts, updated Discord app, updated Box 86, updated Twister 95 and Twister XP themes, login and splash screens, updated Twister 10 theme icons. So you can see that it has been changed, the terminal's symbol, and not only that, you can see the settings symbol is also changed, and updated Pi apps Box 86 uninstall script. So it uninstalls Box 86 in the different way.